Hi, this is Primoz Lazar here, and that's my success principle for today. There is always better way. You need to find it. I have understood something great in my life, that I can always make my journey better, that I can always enhance the job that I'm doing, that I can always proceed forward with more quality work. And I want to always to produce better quality, because this is going to separate me from the other world. I want to be unique, and I want to be known as the product that provides value, that exceeds expectations. And I have examined the world, and I have always put more out to the market that was expected from me. That's why people trust me, that's why I'm responsible, that's why the success is my obligation, because I want to always push forward and provide more value to the market, because the value will be returned to me in other ways. First, I will get more money paid for it in next time when they book me again. Secondly, I will exchange the values, different services will be exchanged. So when I will provide and exceed expectations to people, they will give me something in return. Their services, their feedback, their friendships, their trust. See, you need to always find a better way, always enhance your quality, and always provide and exceed expectations.